Good morning to you on this fine day on Thursday, the 6th of August. Jason Arday, the man who was not, the man and the myth. Here is a Cambridge University professor, apparently, who was appointed in 2023. He has now resigned. Arday denies being a liar. Arday wants to step away. And hot off the press, he resigned his post on Wednesday, the 5th of August, 2026. A United States researcher highlighted plagiarism in Arday's work. Arday is an interesting character. He claimed he was a mute, he is or was autistic, and that he ran 35 marathons in 30 days. He ran 300 miles in 3 days. He also raised £5 million for charity. However, he couldn't name the others who helped him raise that money because he'd signed a non-disclosure agreement. Apparently now the University of Cambridge is examining Arday's record. I'm going to leave this with 3 questions. Jason Arday, the black man of Ghanaian parentage, question number 1, how could he make so many unsubstantiated claims? How could he inveigle himself into the University of Cambridge without the college that he went to making due diligence? How could it happen? Secondly, is diversity, equality, and engagement, DEI, covering his tracks? DEI. Sorry, diversity, equality, and inclusion. Is this ideology covering Arday's Munchausen's? Perhaps he has. Thirdly, he ticks all the boxes for the diversity, equality, and inclusion people. He's black. He's apparently disabled. He comes from a poor background. He ticks all the boxes. But is he, and I'm asking the question, I don't know, is the man an utter fraud? I'm going to leave this open for your comments. I'd be very interested as to what you feel about the man, Jason Arday, who has become infamous in Britain as the youngest black Cambridge professor. I'll leave it with you. May God richly bless you on this fine day. We're having lots of sunny weather, but not lots of wet weather down in the southeast where I am based. Okay, have a great day and God bless you. Bye-bye.